What's going on, YouTube? I just thought I'd give some impressions on the Protech TR3 manual integrity folder. It's a titanium handled knife, just like a Sebenza. Construction is real similar, if not the same. Comes with this model here comes with the S35 VN steel. I mean, really sharp right out of the box. I really like the layout on this knife. Just the hardware that they use. Everything looks just really nice. It's a real solid knife. It opens and closes real smooth. Initially, had a little bit of lock stick. But after I broke it in, no issues whatsoever now. I mean, it's a great alternative to a Sebenza if you don't wanna, if you're not looking to spend $410 for a large 21 Sebenza. It's a good alternative. The blade comes perfectly centered. The lockup is really good. Full titanium. Pocket clip only comes where it's tip-up carry. For those that like tip down, then I guess this wouldn't be the knife for you. Yeah, it's a great knife. It's got some heft to it. Feels really solid. And of course, when you compare it to Sebenza, opening and closing, the Sebenza has that unique sound. It has that clinking like glass noise when you close it. That's what I really like about the Sebenza. Of course, the Sebenza does feel a little more substantial. Has a little more heft to it. It feels a little thicker in your hands, but for the price, this Protech is a great knife. I really like it. It's just really smooth. It's got the single thumb stud. Only thing is the thumb stud does feel a little sharp. But when you go to open it, you just swivel it around and opens up with no issues. Anyway, Protech. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below.